Heidi ho, all you beautiful people out there in YouTube land. Welcome to Your Finger, My Ring. I turn coins into rings, and today I'm going to do my favourite type of coin, a 50p. Beautifully. Rule Britannia. And all that jazz. Right, let's whack a hole in it. How's everybody doing today? Good? Right, let's punch a hole in it. Let's go to Big Berth. Let's use a 20-ton hydraulic press. You can do this with a hammer. But I live in an apartment and I don't want to piss the neighbours off. So I got this. This cost me, what did this cost me? I think it was about nearly 350 euros for the whole thing, you know, the whole lot. But it's about 4 bloody foot tall. And yet one of my subscribers, Gary, just started doing coin rings. He's a welder. And he made his own with a bottle jack, you know. He's got a 12-ton bottle jack and he made his own stand. I mean, Jesus swept, it cost him nothing, you know. It's just made out of angle iron. And you can fit it on the table. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Trouble is I can't weld, otherwise I tried to make one, but... And the small ones you can buy, they're still like, some of them are $600-700 bloody dollars. Okay, they're beautiful, but this is the cheapest thing I could get was Big Bertha. I mean, 350 euros. But yeah, Gary, fair play to you, man. You could make them in kit form and sell them to people, I tell you, you know, instead of welding them all nuts and bolts and stuff like that. You'd sell them easy. I mean, they could buy their own bottle jack and you could send them, you know, the stand. Plate at the bottom with a few bits welded on and nuts and bolts, easy to ship. Yeah, I think you'd do well. Bit of spray, make them look pretty, tie them up a bit, you know. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button. If you're new, and you just popped in, and you like what you see, or you'd like me to make you a ring, there's a little red button, bottom right hand side of the screen. Hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon, you're notified every time I upload a video. I don't just do rings now, I do cufflinks, earrings, girls' toe rings, bracelets, keychains, key fob type things. So you check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. I hear in the States they're going to stop doing the pennies, the 1 cent coins. Now, is that the beginning of the end? Because all these governments all around the world, they want everybody to go cashless. I think that's the worst thing that could ever happen. I only use cash just out of principle. The only time I use a credit card is if I'm booking flights or a hotel. I will not use it for anything else. You got all these kids with their bloody Apple Watches paying, and good God. It takes longer to pay with that than it does with cash, you know. The amount of times I'm stood in a shop and, you know, they get their bloody wristwatch out and all this old malarkey. It don't work, then they have to go to their phone to do something to it. You know, I just give them the money. It's so much quicker. Right, we're going to go for this face side up on the ring. So this goes face down. You get it nice and level. We go over to big red. And we'll give it the old one too. One, two. There you go. Now we just want to clean up this edge, make sure there's no cracks forming, or cheddar gorges, or Grand Canyons, or because if you don't do this, there's a small crack there, you're going to split your ring when you put it on spike. And who the hell wants a split ring? Not me, and I guess not you. There you go. Right, I think we'll show a bit more love with Bernie. Okie dokie. Right, let's dry it off. Then we go over to our best friend Spike. The ring stretcher from hell. There's a bit there. I mean, some guys use a plastic bag for this. I like kitchen roll. You know, whatever floats your boat. This is 2-ply as well, and I double it over so it's 4-ply. How's that looking? Not too shabby. This isn't for anybody in particular. I'm just making a ring. It'll go in my shop within the next few days. There you go. The bow's out of it. It's just cone shaped now. I now want to I'll give it a bit more love. I'd rather be safe than sorry. There you go, beautiful. Yeah, so if you're looking for a custom ring, you can even send me your own coins. I've got loads of rings in my shop, well, quite a few, not loads, but there's a few in there. And I can make them all different sizes. I can make them larger for you or smaller for you. Right, let's go over to the bottom end of the spike, and these are reduction dies. And these straighten the walls up. Look at that first time. Pretty damn sexy, eh? Right. There is a lip in there. Some coins the lip is really thick. Some of the 50p's you hardly have to do, but it's quite a bit in this one. I've got the window open as well. It's quite warm in here today. That's pretty good. Yep, beautiful. So let's take out Felton John, stick in Kate Bush, this is just Quad steel wool, very similar to Quad steel wool. That just takes the fire scale off, brightens it up a bit, makes it look sexy. So what we're going to do with this one, I think we could polish it, don't you? I like that look though. I do like this Edwin look. Or if you're new to the channel, satin look, or you know, I do like it a lot. Looks a bit dull there. That's because I keep touching it. My hands are still covered in bloody oil and God knows what. Yeah, let's polish it up. Let's go crazy. I said, Mama, we're all crazy now. They were a good band in their day, Slade. I don't suppose any of you Americans have heard of it, have you? Slade. Back in the 70s, 80s. When I lived in Norwich, they used to come and play at this place every Christmas. It used to be called Restaurantin'. They played there every Christmas for God knows how many years. I think that's the best Christmas song ever out. Right, let's clean the mingers off and see what we've got. See, it's just me, but I think when they're highly polished, you can't see the detail as much. That's why I quite like the Edwin look. But that's just me, you know. If you want this, if you wanted this particular ring and you preferred it, the Edwin look, I just run over with it again with the Kate Bush. And you get more of a matte finish, you know, satin finish, matte finish, whatever you want to call it. But obviously, I do both, so people can see the sort of, you know, what the score is, what the SP is. Let's get the other cloth, my slightly cleaner cloth. But my girlfriend goes over these afterwards because my hands are still covered in oil and polish and God knows what else. There you go, folks. The Victoria Cross 50p. And that is why you use the kitchen roll or plastic bag, or inside it says thanks for watching, hit the like button 2006 times, and on this side it says hit that little red button bottom right hand side of the screen. You're automatically subscribed, hit the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. What size we got? You always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but same thing. What we got? I can make this bigger or smaller for you. This is a size, oh, what, 10 1/4. So thanks for watching. Have a great morning, have a great afternoon, have a great evening, have a great night, wherever you're from. And behave yourselves. And I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye-bye.